How to add your payment method to your Apple account using your iPhone. Tap on the settings button, tap on your username. Now go ahead and tap on payment and shipping button. Just wait a few seconds for this page to load up. Now it comes up like this. You see the payment method. The first option here is your credit card or debit card, and the second option is your PayPal. So we're going to cover the two steps in this video. Let's go with the first option, which is your credit card and debit card. Make sure you check on it as it's checked. Now go ahead and provide your card details. Number is required, the expiry date is required, then the CVV number, put the CVV number. Now that I've done that, then tap on billing address to select your billing address. Tap on that arrow. Once tap on that arrow, it comes out like this. You have to fill this information, your first name, your last name, then you have to select your street number and others. Then first go ahead and select your country. Depends on your country, tap on this. So once tap on that country button, it comes out like this. So you have different countries here, so you have to go with the country of residence or your country of location. So go with your country and enter your country. Once you enter your country, tap on done button. That is the first process you need to do. And the second method of payment on Apple ID using your Android, using your iPhone, is to tap on the PayPal button. Once tap on the PayPal button, you have to log in with your PayPal account. Tap on login with your PayPal account and follow the screen process and provide all the necessary information. Once you've done that, then go ahead and tap on done button. That's all, guys. You've been able to add your payment method to your Apple account using your iPhone. If you get this tip and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.